Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers, here with this week's IT security tip, number 19. The number one threat to your security is, guess what? It's you and your employees. Like it or not, human beings are our own worst enemies online, inviting hackers, viruses, data breaches, data loss, etc., through the seemingly innocent actions taken every day online. In most cases, this is done without malicious intent. But if you, as a manager or owner, aren't monitoring what websites your employees are visiting, what files they're sending and receiving, and even what they're posting in company email, you could be opening yourself up to a world of hurt. That's because your employees' actions can subject your business to monetary loss, civil suits, data theft, and even criminal charges if they involve disclosure of confidential company information, client personal information, transmission of pornography, or exposure to malicious code. So, I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna tell me you own a small business and hackers aren't interested in you, right? Well, here are some stats that might just open your eyes a bit. The Keeper Security Ponemon Institute report shows the number of small businesses reporting negligent employees and contractors as the cause of data breaches increased to 60% in 2018, whereas external threats like hackers were reported as 37% of causes. The report also shows that some small businesses think that their organizations are too small to be attractive targets for cyber criminals. However, if you read virtually any recent cybersecurity reports or literature, you know that no company is too small or too large. The cybersecurity firm 4IQ states in its 2019 Identity Breach Report that criminals targeted small businesses with cyber attacks at an inordinate rate in 2018, up nearly 425% over the previous year. Symantec's 2019 Internet Security Threat Report shows that employees of smaller organizations were more likely to be hit by email threats such as spam, phishing, and email malware than those who work at large organizations. Continuum's 2019 Small Business Cybersecurity Report shares that nearly 2/3 of small businesses say they don't have the employees to handle cybersecurity functions, and a majority report that they don't have any cybersecurity experts on their staff at all. A survey by the Better Business Bureau indicates that 55% of small businesses cite resources and knowledge as the greatest challenge for developing a cybersecurity plan. Continuum also reports in its State of Small Medium Business Cybersecurity 2019 report that nearly 80% of small businesses believe they'll have to outsource their cybersecurity in the very near future in order to keep up with the threats. Small businesses invest less than $500 per year on average in cybersecurity protection. This devastatingly low number is the average amount that Juniper Research's 2018 study says that small businesses spend on consumer-grade cybersecurity products each year. Considering that SMBs represent only 13% of the cybersecurity market spend, It's no surprise that small businesses make such an attractive target to cyber crooks. Did you know that the average cost of a cyber attack that results from compromised employee passwords is over $383,000? This is one of the findings of the Keeper Security and Ponemon Institute report. Nationwide Insurance reports that more than 2/3 of small business owners don't have a disaster recovery plan in place. The report also shows that 71% of small business owners choose not to buy business interruption insurance. At the very least, you should configure your firewall to document and monitor which websites users are visiting. Almost all business-grade firewalls have this ability built in. You simply need to configure it and monitor the reports, something that we can help you with if you so desire. But it's up to you to set the rules. Write the rules into an acceptable use policy, provide security awareness training, and then train yourself and your employees on what is and isn't acceptable, and then make them sign the acceptable use policy. It's time to take cybersecurity seriously, and HBB Tech is here to help. We developed our cybersecurity solution in 2014, and not one of our clients has suffered a successful cyber attack over the last 6 years. If you're not sure how to move forward, give us a call at 636-542-8653 today, or take your chances with the cyber crooks and the fines, civil suits, reputation damage, downtime, and everything else associated with a data breach. That's it for tip number 19. Next week's tip will be, if you've ever said this, you're asking to be hacked. Remember, it ain't personal, it's just business. Till next time.